how to add music on YouTube Shorts. So first thing first, let's open the YouTube app. And now you can see there is plus option at the bottom of this home page. So just tap on plus option. And once you tap on it, make sure you choose any of the portrait video from here. So let me choose any of them. So let me choose this Christmas one. So once done, just tap on next. And again, you can see there is add sound in here. So just tap on add sound in the screen. And finally, you can select any of the music from here successfully. So let me choose this one. Okay, and finally tap on the arrow option shown in the screen, and you will be able to add it successfully. So basically, this is how, and this is the process to add music on YouTube Short. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, please leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.